So Gwion, thank you for coming this morning. This is your first school session, isn't it? So,
right.
What do you think of it so far?
I think it's been really good. I think it's given the students a really broad impression of everything it involves to be a GP and medicine as a career, not just the academic bit, but against GP specifically, what the job entails day to day and how it's different from other medical careers.
Good. And what did you enjoy the most from this morning?
I enjoyed the question and answer session with, along with the medical student from Cardiff who was doing it with me, because it gave me an opportunity to just sort of share with them the stuff that I wish I'd known when I was at their stage now. Do's and don'ts, the mistakes I made then, which, you know, having information to hand, I could have prepared for better.
Oh, fantastic. So there wasn't much like this available then, I guess, when you applied for medical school?
Not to my knowledge, certainly nothing locally. There was private companies who had charged to go on residential courses like MedLink and stuff like that, but I wasn't aware of anything available locally. Okay.
So if there's one piece of advice that you could give the pupils here today about following their dream into medicine and being a GP, what would that be?
I think it's showing their own character and letting that come through the other stuff that they've prepared for, which is equally important, like how to answer ethical problems and how to explain why they want to go into medicine, but to do that in the context of also showing some personality and in doing so showing how they would be a good all-round doctor. Yeah, and
as I said this morning, I think it's important that we make them believe that when they look in the mirror, they believe that they can be the future GPs.
Well, exactly. I think a lot of the problem in Wales specifically, but I think in general, is self-confidence, and that comes across, so it's important to just believe in yourself and think that you can achieve.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for your help.
No problem.